Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Vechain. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Vechain right now, where we could see the prices going as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. So if we're looking at the markets today as of September 19th, guys, we're starting to see the market momentum completely change, and in a positive way, of course. We're seeing a lot of green across the board. Bitcoin is looking good. We haven't really seen a move like this within the cryptocurrency market for about like 2 to 3 weeks now. So we will definitely take this type of move that we're seeing. So let's take a look at Vechain to be specific, see what is happening right now. So if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, it's up 2% on the over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. And if we're looking at the price as of now, it's currently sitting at 1.78 cents. It's up 2% in USD comparative, and it's also up 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $1.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 33.1 million. So not bad at all as far as the price holding compared to the overall market momentum. We're seeing Vechain holding quite well, and we could be seeing some new monthly highs very, very soon. So before we get into the charts, guys, I just wanted to share a massive announcement, and that is I have started a new channel, and this way it keeps everything organized. So all the news will go on this channel, and then all the forecasts, the price discussions is going to remain on my channel, which is the Crypto ZX one. So do take 20 seconds out of your time. Go hit that red subscribe button. Link will be in the description box below. And if we're able to reach 500 subscribers, I will do a giveaway of $100 USDT to one lucky winner. But with that said, now let's take a look at the price of Vechain and see what exactly is happening as of now. As always, you guys know, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the hourly time frame right now, actually, let's take a look at the daily time frame first. If we're looking at the daily time frame, you guys will be able to see that the price of Vechain, it did make its way up to that 1.85 cents mark, which was on the 16th of September, just 3 days back. And we know we got stopped out there. Of course, we have a lot of resistance at that level, so it was not a surprise at all for any one of us, the fact that Vechain kind of see resistance at that range. But what we're seeing happening right now is we're seeing a reversal happening, and this reversal is insane. And it's very, very important, because this could possibly mean that we're about to start retesting that 2 cents mark once again. And we know the importance of that resistance. I've spoken about this countless times on my other videos, but basically now if we're able to break out of this current resistance at this 1.78 cents mark, 2 cents is the next target. Now you may be saying, Crypto ZX, how far is that target? We can look at that. So if we were to bring out the measuring tool, you can see this for yourself. That's a move of about 12% from the current price levels. So how do we get to that spot? Now you may be saying, of course, we would need more volume coming in. But after that Coinbase listing, we've continuously seen Vechain having more volume than before. We never saw this much buying pressure pretty much over the past 12 months. Of course, in the bull market, the volume was way higher compared to where it's at now. But I'm just talking in the last 12 to 14 months, because the last 12 to 14 months we're in a bear market. So seeing this much volume is quite impressive, to say the least. But the reason as to why that's the case is because a lot of people are once again talking about Vechain, and people are starting to research more about it, especially after the Coinbase listing. And I've told you guys this literally from the last bull market as well, that Vechain is one of the very few projects that has a use case, and a lot of big companies around the world are using it. We know the Walmart China is using Vechain, Thor blockchain, BMW, H&M, Starbucks, the list goes on and on. But now with the listing, it makes things even bigger than before. So like I've said to you guys before, the timing is everything in crypto, and whoever was in charge or behind the Vechain listing, they executed this perfectly. Listing time couldn't have been better. And I'm sure a lot of Vechain community members know exactly what I'm talking about. You do not want to be getting listed literally at the beginning or during the bull market. You want to get listed before the altcoin season begins. And right now we know altcoin season hasn't even started, and we've already gotten this highly anticipated and long-awaited listing that a lot of people were talking about, and it has finally come. And it's one of their very first announcements of this year as far as big project is concerned to be listed on Coinbase. So, things are looking great to say the least. But as far as consolidation goes, we're still in the accumulation zone right now for Vechain. So we still need to break out of that 3 cents mark. That is that sweet spot where things starts heating up. And that is where that FOMO will come in my personal opinion. And we still have some ways to go, of course. 3.3 cents is not anywhere close by. But our first step, of course, is to reclaim above that 2 cents mark. We cannot stress that enough. But now let's take a look at Bitcoin. Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is the leading indicator as to what the entire market does, except if it's Kaspa. We know Kaspa is one of those projects that's continuing to hit all-time highs, and today is the day where I believe it's already hit a new all-time high. I will make an update for you guys on that as well. But you can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is making monthly highs, and that shows positive momentum. That shows that, the bulls have the strength over the bears. So potentially, we could be seeing the price of Bitcoin going back into the 61.8. And of course, if you follow me on my channel on a day-to-day basis, I've been talking about the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and the importance of that zone for Bitcoin. And we need to see the price of Bitcoin there in order for me to feel like, hey, you know what? Okay, we could be potentially talking about a reversal. Until then, I'm not getting super excited. And of course, I've said this countless of times. Dominance index, on the other hand, is picking up, which is causing a lot of altcoins, if you noticed, not to outpace Bitcoin. If we're looking at Vechain, for instance, you can see it's only up 0.4% against Bitcoin. We usually are used to seeing it 1 to 5% range, especially, when things are heating up for altcoins, but that's not the case right now. But that is, of course, due to the index, which is Bitcoin Dominance Index. And you guys know on my channel how important this index is to me. I'm willing to argue with anyone regarding this index. Some people say it's not valuable, and I am willing to prove everything. I'm willing to pull out any charts to show that this is one of the most important indicators out there as far as crypto is concerned. So we're seeing that picking up, and of course, Bitcoin is also looking quite well. But what does this mean for altcoins? We could potentially see altcoins lagging behind in BTC. And that is true, which we're already seeing. But as far as Vechain is concerned, guys, like I said, there's a strong chance if we break out of this level of resistance, 2 cents could be the next target before possibly even coming to the end of this month. So let me know down below what you guys think. And of course, go follow me on my new channel. Stay updated on there for all the latest crypto news. And with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.